Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market forecast for the week of September 19, 2021. First, let's take a look on the economist report last week. As you know, that consumer price index and the consumer sentiment dipped lower in August with worry of inflation. Jobless claim is also higher last week. And the China second power economy also report weaker economy with series of crackdown and intervention, and investors they are worried about the system effect of one of the China largest real estate company at the major risk of default. So the Chinese crackdown on tech companies in particular began when the IPO of Ant a Jack Ma financial tech company, was suspended in November of 2020. So that caused a lot of China stock down to the water. And the car sales are also in big decline with a computer chip shortage. All of these things contributing to last week's selling pressure with short SP 500. They put down in red to close the week. But on Friday, the U.S. Commerce Department announced stronger than expected retail sales in August, with schools, colleges, and offices they reopening. Consumer sales are more for grocery and merchandise like furniture and hardware. So from a technical perspective, while this price action have given us slightly cautious on the near-term correction concern, but the long-term is still in an uptrend because the weight of the evidence for the U.S. equity still remain positive. Next week is the most important economic news will happen on Wednesday, September 22nd, that the FOMC meeting. So the Fed will provide clue for the interest rate, inflation outlook, and the bond stepping for the rest of the year 2021. So that may cause some volatility depending on the outcome of the FOMC meeting. So you have to be careful on Wednesday. So now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see what they are doing, so that we can see where we're at. So first of all, let's take a look on the SP 500. As you can see here, last year on September and October, they go up and down. It's kind of choppy. So this year, right now, at this moment on last Friday, the market is still continue to push it back down. So the market right now, they sit right at the 50-day moving average support. So let's see that next week what they're going to do next here. So right now we have a strong support at this level here. So if the market be able to hold up, we're still looking for the rebound. But if the market is continue to break the low here, then they will have a deeper correction. But overall, the market is still looking good, and then we can see that they can hold on at the 43.87 level here. Okay, so look at the market. It in the short term it's still choppy, but in the long term it's still bullish. So if the next 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, if the market is choppy around in the downside, and then when the on Wednesday when the Fed announce, they have a potential to put it back up. But if they try to go back up early, and then when the Fed announce that they have potential to drop it more. So right now at this moment, I think that we still choppy to the downside, and in the next 2 days or 3 days until Wednesday, and then we have a potential to rebound from that level there. Now let's take a look on the NQ. It's also a technology stock. It still put it back down, but we have a strong support at this level here. And look at the Dow. It also it weaker compared to the Nasdaq and SP 500, but they have a strong support at this level and this level here. So they are still sideways, but they hang tight to this level here. So this is a strong support level. So if they can bounce from this level, or they can go sideways, choppy, and then eventually they will find a way up. But if they drop below here, that will be some problem for the Dow. Okay, because the next level support here at this level here. but as long as they don't take this low, we still have a potential to push it back up. And let's take a look on the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000, they break out the downtrend line. Now they pull back. They retested. They still hold up pretty well here. So you can see that while a lot of big cap stock a little bit in correction right now, but the small cap stock they try to rebound and hold tight here. If the a lot of small cap stock they'll be able to turn around, and then the Russell 2000 that have a chance to put it back up to the upper bound here again. If you look at the crude oil, it still put it back up in the last week based on the hurricane damage and then the slow return on the oil refinery and oil drilling. So the oil pick it up, but now they hit right at the resistance, so they have to go sideways here. In order to go higher, they have to wreck to this level, otherwise they are too choppy in the rainbow here. If you look at the gold it continues to go down further. So this gold right now, at this moment, it still continue to push it back down. And on Wednesday, when the Fed will talk about the bond purchase, so this one will tell you more what happened to the gold. But right now, gold still continue to put it back to the lower support level here. If you look at the Bitcoin, it's still choppy around here. As long as it stay below 48,949, it still have a chance to put it back down. But if they break this level, they have the opportunity to push it back up and retest the high here and continue to the upside. So let's see how they lay out. It's the same thing like in Ethereum. It also gets stuck at this level I told you last week. So as long as they still stuck here, they have to sideways choppy here before they can turn around. Okay, so as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology and you have a proper risk management technique, then for sure you are at risk. The expert trader course offered by Stock Navigator will teach you the right education to fit your trading objective. To be a successful trader or investor, we train, mentor, and empower thousands of our students to operate 100% independently to navigate the markets with the confidence. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day in our live Q&A with multiple instructors until you are successful. And we will guide you in our live 24-hour Discord community so that you can get support by our strong community with thousands of members willing to share their idea and support new members so that you can follow along. This is the only way that you can build your own financial freedom and take care of your financial future. Now let's get deep into the S&P 500 sector so we can see their performance last week and looking for the opportunity when the market turn around. So first of all, you look at the market closing the week with all of the index, all of the sector in the red, except the XLV. Healthcare, they try to find a support at this level, and you can see that a lot of stocks that we have been followed. Okay, so the Johnson, they hit it high here, then they put it back down. Right now they put it back down very close to the support, so we wait for opportunity. This one to turn around, they give you another opportunity to buy back. And another one at Pfizer, it also after it hit high here, they slam it down. So we have a strong support at this level here. So we're looking for opportunity when they turn around to get back in. Another one at like Gillette, it also put it back down, but they hold very tight here. So if they can clear this area here, they can continue to push it back up. And ARKG, also another Genomic Revolution ETF from Cathy Wood ETF. They also try to find a support here and looking for opportunity to put it back up also. And another sector that they are still holding well. That the consumer discretionary with a lot of retail sector, they are doing well. Like I mentioned earlier, we got a school open, the office is open, and people might buy more stuff. So this one will give a surprise uptick last week, and a lot of stock in the retail is still doing well, like Boost, right? It's still going up. ETSY it also continue to the upside, and a lot of them are getting high hit the last couple of weeks. Okay, like a Burlington store here, so they slam it down. So now they are very close to the support area here. So we're looking for some kind of rebound here. And if you look at the technology, which is XLK, they are a little bit in trouble here, but they have a strong support at this level over here. So as long as they can hold on to this level here, we will see that we're looking for some kind of rebound there. But let's take a look on a lot of FANG stock like Apple. The reason the market is still put it back down a little bit more because Apple still have room to come down to this level, which is the strong support before. So if Apple is the key component of S&P 500, if they continue to go down, definitely they will put some pressure on the ES and the SPX. So until they hit to this level, and then the market will rebound from there. As you can see here, let me look at all of the, okay, so Amazon, it also put it back, hit the resistance, they pull back to the support, so they still hang around here. This is still a strong level of support there. The Facebook, it also pulled back down last week. Now they have a support at the 359 here. Okay, so that's the strong level of support that they need to hold there for rebound. And the Google, it also pulled back down. So Google, it also have a strong support in this level there. Okay, and the IGV, which is they hold up the technology software is still doing really well. They still hang tight to the level of support here. So they will jittering around here, and then we can see that as long as they can hold up here, potential is still put it up to the future. Microsoft, it also put back down, but they are it's like a sideways choppy, but the overall trend is still bullish. And Netflix, it also pretty strong. They break out, they pull back, and they still hang tight to the upside. Tesla, another one, is also choppy around, but overall trend is still bullish. So if the market turn around, those stocks, they will find a way to put it up very quickly there. Okay, and one more sector that is semiconductor. The semiconductor, that the key ingredient of the technology stock. Okay, so we can see the semiconductor, they hit all-time high here. So now they pull back down a little bit. So we're looking for the support at this level here. A lot of strong stock that they try to find a way to break out. They get stuck in this area here. As long as they can hold here, they will find a way to break out in the future. So like AMAC, okay, TXN, Texas Instrument, they still stuck into this range here. If they can clear this area here, they will have a potential to put it higher. Let me see here. Nvidia, that's another strong one. They put it back down. Let's see how far they can come down here, but they still hang tight to the upside there. AMD also try to looking for the support at this area there also. Okay, and talking about the XLI, which is industrial sector. So this one here, they are really slowing down. As you can see here, they continue to put it back down here with the bill from the contract. It's not clear yet until they come back after the summer here. So this one here is still sideways dip down, and you can see that. But a lot of stock that you have to watch out. It will give you a better opportunity to buy, like FedEx. They're on the way down, but they are toward the support very soon there. John Deere, okay, and Caterpillar, okay. So those stocks, they are very close to the support there, okay. And UPS and the FedEx, they are in the same group, because this sector still have some problem. You can see that the transportation is still going down, but the transportation it should looking for the support at this level here very soon. So a lot of stuff from the transportation, we're looking for rebound if this one, if the transportation sector they hit to the support there. Okay, so the last one is the financial sector. It's still choppy around, as you can see. Okay, they're going up, they're going down, but they could not break to this level here. So now they build another base here. So in order to go up, they need to clear this area and push it back up. And some of the strong stock in this sector, American Express, they try to looking for support. If they can get above the moving average here, they can push it back up. Okay, and Bank of America, it also try to hang tight to the support here. And Goldman Sachs, they pull back down last couple of weeks, but they have a strong support coming up right here. Okay, so the market may look choppy for the next couple of days here until Wednesday, after the Fed announce, and then they will give you a better opportunity. So save your money and looking for the right moment that when the market turn around, they will give you a good discount price again. So be prepared for that. Besides this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 5 good stock every week, and we analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy, and good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.